Green Grapes, Volume 2, Satanism and Witchcraft. It can be argued that Christianity was formed against the older faith of Satanism. One of the things you're going to find among satanic thinkers is the switching of the terms God and Satan in the typical references. Sacrifice is just as valid today as it was before Christians told everyone it was vicariously done. It is very true that people don't have to form enemies, form sects. Arrogance and psychological work is not the same as Satanism. Scholarship is not the same as devotion, and ritual is not totally living the life. Everyone can go against what might seek to control their spiritual fate on their own. Not knowing one's life history can make one vulnerable. Generational work can build effects. And we need to be brave. We need to be beyond fantasy. We need to be beyond the priesthoods who need their reference for power. We need to be beyond supposed history. We need to operate our will, our thelhama, as it's called, but we don't need to follow Aleister Crowley.